Hi, welcome to our very first video on our flagship, the Hurricane. In this video, we will look at the basic layout of the Hurricane, and then in the future videos, we will explore all the different functions, the uses, the options, and applications, the basic how-to. Let us start at the back, where we have the power socket, and then on the front of the instrument, we have an input and an output socket. Both of these are used for handhelds or the A4 plate. And then on the side of the instrument, there's two card slots, which can handle from 1 to 5 cards per slot. In front of the instrument, you have an input area and an output area, which is used when you want to copy any substance. The output area will also be used when you do a distant broadcast. Then we have a selector switch for the different bases. We start off with copy, where copy would be used when we have a direct transfer from a substance when you're making a remedy. Then base 44, base 10 and base 336, which base 44 is the outer part of the circle. Base 10 and base 336 is the inner circle on the dials. Next to that, we have a selector switch for the different timing options. We have an off position, which will be an indication that the machine is switched off. On 1 minute, 6 minutes, pulse, or a maintenance. 1 minute would be your normal time period for making a remedy, or even for broadcasting distantly to somebody. 6 minutes will be used for anything like creams or anything with a high viscosity. Then pulse mode would be when you have a prolonged treatment period, like for overnight. And then maintenance would be a much slower pulse, which is not as aggressive as the pulse mode. Then we have 2 rows of dials for the input of rates. We have an energy dial, which allows us to increase the energy of a remedy. Normal homeopathic remedies would start with a 30 unit energy, and we can then increase it to 250. Then we have an extended potency range, which allows you to do X potencies, C potencies, M potencies, CM potencies, MM potencies, LM potencies, and also F potencies. Next to that, we have a mode LED indicator, which will indicate the operation of the instrument. Next to that, we have a balance LED, which will indicate that the instrument is in operation. Next to that, we will have a reset button to reset the operation if necessary, and then a start button which will start the system. Just to indicate, show to you, if we switch the instrument on, you will see that the mode LED will burn red. That means that the instrument's on standby and ready to be used. Then as soon as I press the start button, the mode switch will turn green and the balance will then turn blue, which indicates that the instrument is now in operation. After the 1 minute lapse, the balance LED will go out. The mode LED will turn back to red again, indicating that the instrument is on standby and ready to be used again. And that is how the basic instrument is working. And as I said, in the future we will explore all the different options and functions in this instrument. Thank you.